Look at this Jeep right here. Sick. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a really cool place that was very special to me over here growing up in LA. I'm a big fan of sports, especially soccer, you know, football in the rest of the world. It's called football, I know. Don't give me nothing for it in the comment section. But I live in the United States, and over here we call it soccer. So I grew up playing soccer my whole life. Woo, look at this. Especially with the World Cup. You know, that was supposed to be happening already, but got delayed. I'm gonna make this. Ooh-wee, that was clean, baby. All right. We got a little bit of an uphill right now. Please tell me you're open. Yes, it is open, baby. There it is. North Valley Sports Complex. Like I said earlier, especially with the World Cup coming up, it's supposed to be happening right now. You know, I got the itch to kick the ball around, so that's what we're gonna do right now. To these fields, man. This place is freaking awesome. Let's do a little tour real quick of the place. Looks like there's some people training already. If you guys like soccer, football, stick around. So over here there's just a bunch of soccer fields, obviously divided from smaller ones, bigger ones. There's all different types of size of goals over here. And I mean, playing over here, I mean, look at this. Feels like you're playing in Switzerland or something. And then over here, it just becomes the youth baseball area. We are looking for some shade. This will be our parking lot. All right, let me get set up, guys, and I'll catch back with you guys in a little bit. So yeah, guys, like I said, I grew up playing soccer my whole life. So coming out here, it's like a kind of like serenity for me, you know what I mean? Almost like taking the SURRON out on a trail or something like that. Just running around, kicking the ball around, you know, getting that. It's like I guess some people go in using a punching bag, you know. So very similar. I'm addicted to it. This is my passion. And yes, I am using 2 pairs of socks. And yes, one is Nike and one is Adidas. What are you gonna do about it? Whew. That was hella fun, guys. Excuse me being all sweaty and out of breath. I haven't played in such a long time, but like I said, the World Cup coming up and all that stuff really got me the itch to come out and play. Let's get set up for some shots, guys. I hope I don't miss. Let's get set up for some free kicks. I'm naturally a lefty, but I can kick with both legs. So let's try a little lefty over here. Top left corner. Ooh, way off. Note to self: do not kick the ball over. All right, top left corner. Oh. Top left corner. You want it. Well, let's switch sides. Right, guys, I have not trained in so long. Definitely not as accurate as I used to be, you know what I mean? But anyways, we're still coming out here and having some fun, getting ready for this World Cup to happen out here in beautiful, I mean, look at this place. Definitely cannot get better than this. Surrounded by beautiful mountains. It's so serene out here, so peaceful. I love it. Got my e-bike, my stealth bomber waiting for me right there. My gear's right there. Gonna pack that up and get out of here. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.